So the other day my hood latch decided that it didn't want to latch anymore. So I figured I'd throw this hopefully quick little video here together and show you exactly how it failed and how I'm going to fix it. So if yours broke differently than mine did, obviously this fix isn't going to work for you. But what we're looking at here, everything is, there's nothing majorly broken. It should still latch, but obviously, I'll show you here, it doesn't. And what's going on exactly is, so there's this little piece right here, and this moves. It's kind of hard to move with your finger. There's a little spring, that one right there, and you can actually see that it's broken, and that's the return spring. So that's why it's not latching. It'll go down, but it just won't catch. So I'm going to replace that spring here. So obviously I'm going to be needing to take the hood latch off, and there's just two 8mm screws here. And it's a good idea before you do this to go ahead and put some marks on here so that when you get everything back together, it's all back where it was, so your hood isn't lined up funky when it's shut. And once you've got it off, you can clearly see what happened here. Obviously, this part is supposed to be connected to that part. But what that does is it just pulls this back and allows it to reset everything. So all I did was I went to the hardware store and found a spring that was pretty close to the original one here. It's about the same length, it's slightly shorter, but I don't see that causing an issue. Tension's about the same thickness. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this on. All right, after a small amount of modification, we're ready to install it. Looks like it's gonna work. Then once you've got the spring installed, go ahead and get your hood latch realigned and snugged up and give it a test. Yay. So that's really all there is to it. I could have went to McMaster-Carr and ordered a spring that was probably the exact same length, exact same everything, but it really doesn't matter. It's not that critical of a component, and this one I'm sure will work perfectly fine. And for $1.81 after tax, and I didn't have to wait for it to get shipped to me or anything like that, this is the way to do it. And plus I'm like 1,200 miles from home, so there's that aspect of it as well.